Hello! It will be a very important video about trading. Be sure to watch this video to the end and listen carefully if you want to make money and not lose your money. I will try to put it to you what role money management and risk management play in trading. You often ask me why I have often talked about money management and risk management. Because these are the main components of successful trading. To make money, you need to control yourself, not the market. You will never make money in the long run if you are not in control of yourself. A working strategy is good, but it won't teach you how to make money. It will teach you how to trade, but not earn. People lose money not because they don't have a strategy or because they don't know how to correctly identify the level of support and resistance. They only lose money due to human factors. Any newbie can trade on a demo account and increase his deposit up to $100,000 because he is trading not for real money. Trading is easy, but not to lose money is hard. 80% of people lose their money and 80% of people lose money only because of emotion, because they don't know how to control themselves. Many of you have been following my YouTube channel for a long time. What has changed in 1.5 years of my trading that I'm recording for you? Nothing has changed. I was trading many years ago using scalping and I continue to use this strategy. So, let's imagine that you have 100% strategy and 99% of your trades are profitable. But you will not earn, instead you will lose money. You will lose money if you do not control yourself. What if 99% of your trades are profitable? You have a deposit, for example, $1,000. How much will you bet? Now try to understand. How much will you bet if your success rate is 99%? Are you going to bet $10 to $20 or $50 per trade? I doubt it. After all your trades go into plus, and only 1 or 2 trades go into minus. Are you going to bet $50 each? No, you will bet $200 to $300 to $400, or maybe all in, because every of your trade closes in positive territory. And when your $1,000 trade turns out to be a winning one, and this will happen too with a $1,800 trade and a $3,000 trade. But then, if you have a bad day and lose your entire deposit, why? Tell me, you have 100% working strategy. Even if the strategy that I use will bring me 60% of profitable trades, I will earn, and you, with your strategy that gives you 99% of profitable trades, will not earn. This is the whole paradox. You don't know how to control yourself. A series of successful trades affects a person much worse than a series of losing trades. Imagine that you have been trading for a month only with a profit. Imagine that you have no unprofitable trades for the whole month. Will you continue to trade in the same way? You will have the false belief that trading is very easy. You will think that you are in control of the market and that you have a very best understanding. you will bet at least 50% of your deposit because all your trades are closed with a plus. Even 30% of your deposit is already a gross violation of the rules of money management. 2 to 3 losing trades, you will lose your entire deposit because this is financial market. It is unpredictable. There are days when the trade does not go well. You do not succeed, all levels break, and this is where you will lose your deposit. You've been earning for a whole month, and now just think, a whole month. People send me their successful results, but 2 until 3 days pass and they ask me to manage their accounts since they have lost everything. I ask them, how did it happen? And they answer me, I could not resist. I wanted to earn more, but in the end, I lost everything. And then, out of emotion, I continued to trade as I wanted to recover the losses. But instead, I lost everything. And why do you think this happened? Because his strategy didn't work for him? It worked for many months. Think about it. He earned for many months. It didn't work for him for 1 or 2 days, and he lost his deposit. That is why I'm often talking to you about money management and about risk management. My videos can teach you how to correctly trade, but you must control yourself because your earnings depends on it. I cannot control you in any way and force you to open only 5 to 8 trades per day. This is only for you to do. It's all about the human factor. It's all about emotion. I teach you to control yourself. For this, you need all 3 main metrics. Only 3. It's to have your own strategy, to comply with money management and risk management. And this is the whole secret of success. If you screw even one of these rules, you will lose your deposit. Do you think I have 100% control over everything? I control something by 80%, something by 90%, and my strategy by 60%. What is strategy control? The fact that you have only one pattern and you should only trade in it. I have told myself many times that I will only trade in horizontal channels. But no, I don't trade only in horizontal channels. I open trades where I see a good situation, whether it's a downtrend or an uptrend or a triangle. In some cases, I use my 1-minute trick because I'm too lazy to look for a good horizontal channels. I don't devote much time to trading now, as I have very big plans and goals that I need to achieve. This all takes a lot of time, and therefore, like many, I want to open trades as quickly as possible, breaking discipline. But money management and risk management saves me. I control my risk management by 90%. I know that I have to open a certain number of trades, and even if I get a minus, I will not lose my deposit since I comply with the risk management. This is what secures you and preserves your deposit control only. No strategy will help you make money if you are not in control. Now, let's talk about money management. Let's say you told yourself that you will only bet 5 to 7% of your deposit, but this does not seem enough to you. You want to earn more money, and you think, well, here is a 100% profitable situation, and here I will open a trade for 50% of my deposit. And of course, this trade closes in negative territory, and yep, you lose your money. Why did you lose your money? You have studied many strategies, but you have lost because you are not in control of yourself. Do you understand what I'm talking about? I have been trading for a very long time using the strategy that you all know, and I make money with it. I have been teaching you discipline for a long time. Some of my subscribers already understand how important this is and write to me, Alex, this is cool. It really works. Thank you for telling me about discipline. Thank you for teaching me how to control myself. Thanks to this, I started earning. Many began to learn this, and now the percentage of successful traders has grown much. I receive a lot of messages with gratitude and successful trading results of my subscribers and members of my VIP channel. Control is also required in risk management. If you control it, at least 90%, you will never waste out your deposit. Never. It controls your greed, especially when you get a lot of pluses in a row. If we don't control ourselves, then we will not earn. No super strategy will help you. So, learn to control yourself. In this, I will not help you in any way. No one will teach you control. No one but yourself. This will come to you with experience. Nobody will put money in your pocket. You must learn to earn money yourself. You must take 100% responsibility. If you lose your deposit, then you yourself are to blame. This means that you are not in control of yourself. It is the same in life. If you control yourself in everything, then you will achieve real success. If with the help of this video, I can convey you to the essence and importance of these main rules of trading, then I wasted my time making this video for you for a reason. You must realize that you will always have a percentage of losing trades. Someone will have more, someone will have less. This is the market. Please understand this and don't be surprised that levels break at times. The market doesn't care how you analyze the situation. Start controlling three main metrics: strategy, money management, and risk management. Try to at least control each metric by 60%. Send me your results for a week, for 2 weeks, for a month, and I will share them with other people. Let people see how important self-control is. And then the percentage of successful traders will grow a lot. Now, let me show you my trading. As usual, I analyze the market by looking at currency pairs. The euro and New Zealand dollar has high volatility and an excellent horizontal channel. I apply my 1-minute trick and open one down trade. I get a plus. The price goes down and then goes up sharply. I open 2 more down trades. And again, my trades are closed in positive territory. That's all, friends. I've finished my trade. I made $1,305. Why should I waste time and look for some other situation? Moreover, the market is unstable lately. By the way, many people ask me to record another 1-minute trick video. Just now, you saw again that my trick really works. With those words, I bid you a goodbye. I wish everyone successful trading. Join my VIP channel with signals and training, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be a lot of useful information. Thank you for your attention and goodbye to everyone.